Hello dear students, welcome to MY3 Academy. In the last video, we have discussed the analogy concept and along with that, we have solved the questions which are appeared in the previous papers of TG ICET and AP ICET. At the end of the video, I have given few practice questions. In this video, we'll look at the solutions of those practice questions. And don't forget to drop a comment here. So which topic you want for the next. So let's look at the practice questions. So the first question is 6 is 222, then 7 is what? So if you observe this particular number, 6 is 222. So this is a 3-digit number. So this kind of gradual increase will be available with the cube numbers. You observe what is the value of 6 cube. 6 cube is generally 216, but this is 222. So what is the increase or what is the difference from here to here? There is a 6 increase. So I understand it is very clear. So the value of 6 becomes 6 cube plus 6. So then 7 will be what? That's a question. So 7 will be 7 cube plus 7. What is 7 cube value? Which is 343. And if you add 7 to it, it is 343 plus 7, which is 350. So answer must be option D. You can mark it as answer choice. So very good pattern. So this type of questions can be expected. The second one. So question which is given as letters and numbers both are involved here. So if you observe the number 3 become 5. So there is an increase of 2. So then something is increased by 2, it become 9. What should be this? This must be 7. So you can eliminate these two options. And if you observe the other letters, so K is the 11th alphabet. King's 11 Punjab. So K is 11 and N is 14. So what is the increase here? 11 plus 3 is 14. So something is increased by 3, something is increased by 3 and we got it as 20. So that means it must be 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 17 means it is Q. So answer should start with Q. But two options are started with Q. Look at the last letter. So last letter D become F. D, E, F. So F is the 6th alphabet. 4 plus 2 is 6. So something plus 2 and they become J. J means 10. So it must be 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. What is the 8th alphabet? 8th alphabet is H. So your answer must be Q7H. Mark it as option 2 here. So next question, and this is a very important model, and in this question the logic is tail is coded as this, then hero will be taken as what? So this type of questions are based on opposite letter pairs and it is a very important concept actually. So opposite letters means, what are opposite letters? A opposite will be Z. That means A is the first letter from the start, Z is the first letter from the last. B opposite is Y. B is the second letter from the start, Y is the second letter from the last. And C, X, D, W like that. And if you observe, the sum of the opposite letters is always equal to 27. So 1 plus 26 is 27, 2 plus 25 is equal to 27 and 3 plus 24 equal to 27, 4 plus 23 equal to 27. So sum of the opposite letters is always equal to 27. You can observe here T is 7 and T is 20 and G is 7. So 20 plus 7 is 27. These are opposite pairs. And how I realize these are opposite pairs is after looking A and Z. So A is 1, Z is 26. This is opposite pair. And L is 12, O is 15. So sum is 27. E is 5 and V is 22. Sum is 27. So using the same logic, we need to find out this. So first you look at H. H is the 8th alphabet. How much we need to add to 8 to make it 27? So H 8 plus 19 will become 27. What is the 19th alphabet? Which is S. So your answer should be any one of these two. So let's look at the next one. E is the 5th alphabet. 5 plus 22 is 27. 22 is nothing but V. And next one, R is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. What is the 9th alphabet? 9th alphabet is I. So Next one is O. O is 15. 15 plus something is 27. What is that something which is 12? 12 means what? L. So your answer must be option 1. You can also expect this type of questions not only in analogy, in coding and decoding also. It is a very important repeating model question. So opposite letters is a concept which you can apply here. Let's look at the next question. So this question is most direct question. So W is 23, U is 21. W is 23, U is 21, S is 19. And 23 to 21, what is the difference? There is a 2 difference. Then 19 will be deferred by 2 and it becomes 17. What is 17th alphabet? Which is Q. So answer must be option 4 here. Let's look at the next one. Smoke, pollution. War will be what? So due to smoke, we will get pollution. Lot of smoke together will make solution. Due to wars, what will happen? Destruction will happen. So right now the war is happening between USA and Iran and Israel. So wars will leads to destruction. So hope you understand the 5 practice questions. And we have a complete course of TG ICET and AP ICET. So download MY3 exam prep app. So where you can able to get the complete courses of TG ICET and AP ICET. You can get the complete online courses and recording classes. And you will see 200 plus hours of classes with the PDF material and sectional wise and full length mock test you can able to see. And for your doubt clarification, you can use our mobile application, and you can also join in our Telegram channel to get clarified with the doubts. So download MY3 exam prep app, so it would be helpful. So comment what is the next topic you want us from our end. So based on your comments, we'll make the next video. So don't forget to subscribe MY3 Academy channel. Thank you so much. Follow us on Telegram to get the content or PDF material related to the topics which we see in aptitude and reasoning. Thank you.